Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel, and today I will like to show you the way how you can create the new Apple ID on your iPhone. So first thing that you have to do now is just go open your Safari application, and you just need to type on the search button here, create new Apple ID. Right after that, go click enter, and then the first thing you first will be this website, which is the Apple support. So you just need to tap on it, and then it will bring you into the website of the Apple support right here, and then you just need to type in the create your Apple ID on iPhone, iPad, or Apple Visit Pro, and you will got this type of looks right here. And then you just need to go click follow everything on the screen that I explained on this panel. And if it doesn't work because you cannot find the solution, you just need to go back and you just need to re-enter about the iCloud.com, and then just go click search, and you will find this type of iCloud, and then just need to tap on it, and they'll bring you into this type of panel, and then you just need to tap into the sign in, and they will bring you into the next sections, which is this tab. And then you just need to simply click this X, and then they will be like bring you into the other options will be shown up right here. And then you just need to go click here, create Apple ID, and now you just need to fill everything on your screen just based on the information that you have. So you're done. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.